Traders, September 24, 2018, after the market close, going to provide a trading report update on CELZ. Finally figured out what the hell was wrong with my mic. So things will be a lot clearer moving forward since I figured out what was wrong. I'm so happy because it was really irritating. My last few posts had staticky noise. And obviously, I'm not going to repost things after I created them and re-record. It's just too annoying and takes too much time. Anyway, let's talk about CreativeMed technology. News came out. Seems like they have a couple of lenders that's offering better rates than their current lenders. So we'll see what happens. Looks good. The stock is up roughly about 15% or so, 14 and change for the day, up 0.0035, close at roughly 0.0279. So what we see here, and I know I sound like a broken record, but I keep stating this because I want you guys to understand how the trading language works when it comes to understanding charts, okay, and technical indicators and patterns and so forth. Okay, so remember we have these three lines, battle of the lines right here. So this line is support, goes under its resistance. This line is support, it goes under its resistance. This line was resistance, it broke through support, but if it goes under its resistance, okay? So right now, this uptrend line was resistance for about a day, maybe including today, because currently CELZ is trading at that trend line, not above or below it, but currently at it. Yesterday it was below it, but it bounced off the support line that was a downtrend previously. You see that? It bounced right off that. And you have the two double support. Now its goal is to trade above this line. And, if it breaks through threes, because it seems like threes is the mark, 0.03 is what the barrier is, it will continue doing well and start heading upwards. I just want to provide an update letting you guys know that since it's in this range, we can see her start trailing up, and I expect her to start trailing up and above the trend line. We could see a spike, but then it'll maybe trade down a bit. A spike that maybe trade down a bit, and our goal is to see higher lows, right? So this is his first low level right here, and then we have a low level right here at this, the X mark trailed at around this trading range. We have three levels. These two are currently support. This one seems like it's at the line and breaks above it. It's also support. You have all three. And what we can see, hopefully, that it trades above it and starts creating the pattern that I believe it was going to create. And let me doodle that for you guys again. Hold on a sec. Let me just move more forward this way. Give me more room to do this. Okay. So hopefully we'll see something like this, then like that, then like this, then like this, then like this. As long as it stays above that uptrend and we see higher highs and higher lows, that's good for CELZ. The whole point is that she breaks 3, and if she does break 3, my honest belief is that's the pattern CELZ will form. It's a little too early, and that it will create that, but my previous tutorials I stated that it will create it. From the looks of it, she will create it if she stays above this line or something similar to it. This could be her bottom moving forward. Only time will tell with tomorrow's trading day if she can somehow break above those threes. And it doesn't have to be tomorrow, right? Well, all she has to do is pretty much trade around this range, at or just above it, and continuously. Doesn't have to make these moves like I believe it will. It just has to constantly trade above here, maybe spike here and there and go back down. Nothing trades smoothly upwards in this trend line forever. It usually makes these bounces like this if you're looking at this type of trend line, right? It's not like it was just trading at this level all the way. So I expect the same thing, but on the upside. Once again, you can follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher. Visit my site, thetradingteacher.com. And I hope individuals that are in CELZ, profit. I mean, that's the whole point. Once again, my name is Zelman. Take care, guys, and I hope you guys make money.